Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to record a partial payment in Bookipi. Now, this is for the PC version. The mobile version is a bit different. So once you're in your dashboard, you want to click on invoice over here and then choose the invoice you want to pretty much customize or amend, right? So this one is going to be it for us. And here, you're going to see everything here, signature, recurring, off, right? Everything that's here. You want to click on update, right? Because there's nothing here for us to work with. Click on update. We're going to be brought to this page over here. So we click mark as paid, like so. This is going to appear. So there is no, on the PC version, that there's no feature that, partial payment or whatever. You can click fully paid, but no, we don't want that. Amount paid, let's say 25, right? And then method cash, right? And then we add a note here and add payment. There we go. So now it is partially paid. So that is how you do it using the PC version. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.